Hi traders, welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. In this video, we are going to be discussing the dollar index indicator. Okay, so whether you are seeking the MT4 version or the MT5 version, just check the description below. After downloading the indicator, you head over to your indicators folder and paste the indicator file in there. After which you need to come back to your navigator to refresh it. Now, after refreshing your navigator, you should just look for the dollar index indicator. Drag and drop. Ensure that your allow DLL imports box is checked. As for your input, you can see we have the short-term SMA period set at 20. The long-term SMA period is set at 40. So this is how the indicator looks like. All right. Now, this indicator tracks the strength of the US dollar against a basket of major currencies, right? Helping you to spot macro level trends, anticipate currency movements and refine your trading strategy. So if you trade any pair that has the US dollar in it, then this indicator might come in handy. All right. You can modify the input settings, depending on how sensitive you want the indicator to be. All right. So as a US dollar trader, you can consider adding this indicator to your trading toolkit so that you can be able to track the dollar against a basket of major currencies. If you're not yet subscribed to this channel, you might want to consider doing that now. And don't forget to turn on your notifications so that you do not miss out on more valuable trading content. If you want to be among the first to know when a new video drops, then you should subscribe and turn on your notifications. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Cheers and God bless.